Tech TV. Experience educational television.
The Ghana Science Association is organizing its 17th Biennial Virtual Workshop on 25th November 2020. The theme for the workshop is Diet, Health and COVID-19. The special guest is the Ghana National Association President, Professor William Gariba. The keynote address will be given by Dr. Abuaji Da Costa from the Ministry of Health. Professor Francis Zotto from the University of Allied Health Sciences will speak on diet and immune system. Professor Francis Amaglo from UDS will speak on improving the immune system in the fight against virus and COVID-19. Dr. Frida Intifo from University of Ghana will speak on the impact of COVID-19 on diet and healthcare delivery. There will also be discussion after each delivery. All this will be done through webinar on Zoom.
Tech TV. Experience educational television.